if you will change your mind, ask you. Ask you.
I love movie which first one Google yes yesterday before and trying to learn special feelings I think so series okay it's impressive and the SD claros are not for so-called military residents and that's what we are called Dorados because of the eating hiring city or the city can be or the very activity which amounts here in the region. Okay, so I know. Later on, the racing game. All racing water, the game's still has been voted. Okay, now the levels of eating usually ice cream are first one including gas city. And what I've chosen is that level 2, wherein I can only taste the fire up in my throat or in the throat. So I can still support the sweetness and the flavor of city ice cream.